we got a mystery box right here of jewelry we're gonna take a look at, right? So in the jewelry business, you could manufacture jewelry, you could source jewelry, you could do a lot of things, right? Let's see what we have in this box. But I have a lot of friends in the business with a lot of good inventory and a lot of good things, and they make offers, they make deals.
Wow, look at that chain.
Straight out of the bag, the reason why I do business with this individual person is it's organized. Take a look at this parcel of jewelry that I could bring to the marketplace. One, everything is organized. It's not, you know, been laying around in a briefcase, a perfect case. This is a serious piece, a serious jewelry. All the rappers that are watching and all the people that spending money on jewelry, don't know what they're doing, they're buying shit because of this and that. They watch my shit, they learn, I'm gonna teach you. This is the way the jewelry is supposed to get to you or to your supply. It's a sourcing game, right? A lot of people source. Now, what happens? People get duped. That's what happens. A lot of people source their jewelry in a way to make as much money as possible. Just a little bit of a dirtier stone, a little bit of an under-carat gold, a little bit of a cheaper setting, a little bit of a rush job, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. The end client can't tell the difference because they can't tell shit from sugar. And the consumer, you know, and the vendors trying to rip them as much as possible based on the condition of the consumer's mind. And that's a corny game to play, but you know I'm not playing it. And you know some of the suckers that shop anywhere else, they do whatever they want. But I handle my shit correct, and I fucking explain it, why and how. See, I've got the cost price relative to me. I spent a couple of million with this individual. I don't know how many. I can't count them all, because we spend $2-3 million a month at this company on a variety of jewelry, setters, castings, diamonds, whatever. So I spent however much, and people sit here and they treat me correct because I do business correct. So, John, I mean, if you want to know what's going on, I mean, this is the price on a piece like this.
It's fantastic.
36 carats, 212 grams,
yeah.
15 millimeter in 10 carat.
Look at that.
Now, what is the plus with this particular product if you want it? Right? And if you wanted it and you're watching this video, I'll do a special intro price of 23 grand on a piece like this. 23,000 on a piece like this. And the one thing I could tell you about this piece is the diamonds are alive. Stop bringing me, I don't really want to put people on blast, but you guys have Cubans with dirty diamonds. Because there's 36 carats, that's 36 opportunities to fuck you over and fucking dupe you. And that's 36 times you got duped in a lot of places. Why? Because you know, you don't know what you're buying. You go in, you rely on a company, and most of the time it's a company that someone else rapped about or something like that. And you go and you throw your money over there, or it's in this or it's in that, and that's cool. That's cool to do business if you do your business and get your education from a rap song. However, and that's also fine, that's great. Great culture, great information, great this, but that's not business. This is business. That's the difference. It's up to you. You could do it this way, you could do it that way. I don't really care, because the smartest people, as we're finding out little by little as I build my business, the smartest people are shopping with us. And that's a fantastic trend. So I know that's going to keep on fucking popping off. Now, this is a good thing. It's got a superior quality. We've got some tennises over here. This is another product that you see often in the marketplace.
You see some of these rings?
Yeah, you could go check those out. And I'm going to see, what am I looking for? I'm looking for a certain quality. Because if I'm going to bring it to the marketplace, what kind of diamonds are being used in this product, right? A popular chain, you see it everywhere. You know, the end consumer has to buy it. They're not all the same, guys. They're not all the same. They're not all the same. They're not all the same. Very good finishing, very good polish on this piece. Very clean. Rose gold and two-tone and so on and so forth. 10 carats, 14 karat gold, 16 inches. All right, let's take a look at the price of something like this. Yeah, I mean, a great deal. If your intro price, 11 grand. In the shop, it's got to be 15,000, 16,000, 17,000. I don't know. We built a staff to make moves with this type of product, and they'll figure out what they can do. You can do business with anybody you see standing behind me to whatever effect that you can, so long as it's fair to this business or what it is. My job is to see if I want this in my shop to deliver to you. The quality is nice. The price is good. But you're gonna have to decide. You could comment to see if you want this jewelry in the shop. $12,000 intro price for the people watching this video only, because I need to give an incentive for the people watching this video. Always the prices are rock bottom, bare minimum I'm willing to do. And I'm not even willing to do it. You're not gonna buy it from me. You're gonna buy it from the people that are standing behind to do business. But for the people that don't watch, it's gonna have to be 15 or something like that, because we really need to start charging for the services we provide. Boom, this Cuban right here, everyone's doing the Cubans with the plates on top. But I like this type of work.
Straight links, yeah.
Right, you know, I could sit here and I could manufacture this myself, and this is about the quality that I use. Everything here is really superior quality to everything you see out there in the diamond district, because people love to make money on diamonds. And this is coming from someone who's supplying diamonds to us for a very long time, and they're in the manufacturing business. This is a superior product. That's it. I told you really what it is. Why is it superior? The labor is higher and the quality is higher. Why is the labor higher? Why is the quality higher? Because people get duped with lower labor and lower quality, and they buy it anyway because they're suckers. They go and they do and they believe and they think and they this and they that. And little by little, we explain, we learn. I don't really know how else to explain it to you. You're the one spending 30, 40, 50, 60, and whatever it might be on these chains. If you're watching this and that's what you're spending, and you're spending it in places where you're getting a lower quality, and sometimes you get better and you think this is better. It's a corny game, but you know, you play it however you want it. I'm telling you what the fuck is actually going on this end. This is a dope piece. I don't know how much it is, but if you you don't want to do business, you can live chat on TraxNYC.com. Even Yashu right here, he's helping someone else. You'll be able to help him out. They can reach out to you. Reach out to our staff, and we'll make it happen. We'll make a deal on whatever you see in this video. This particular piece, I guess I could tell you what's going on as far as price is concerned. 45.44 carats, 319 grams. You know, I saw a tag on a piece of jewelry, and it said, yeah, 45 carats. I mean, that means the person doesn't really know how many carats there are in there. They're rounding it up, or they're rounding it to some shit because they know you don't know and you don't know what's going on. Somebody might put, how would you not know there's not 44.44 carats in here and there is actually 45.5? I know how. You know how I know? Not by counting diamonds like a fucking sucker, but not doing business with stupid pieces of shit. That's how I would know what I'm getting and how I'm getting. After 17 years, there's people in this world that are trustworthy, hardworking, and got the right intentions, and there's other people that are trying to rip you off. You can't discern who's who and how's how and what's what. That's your problem. But me, I've learned how to do that, and I make sure that it is what it is. And I know that if I break every diamond out of here and put it on a scale, it's going to be the 45.44. So under 45,000, not much under 45,000. But you could do it under 45,000, intro only. Otherwise, I got to sell for 50. Yeah, it's got a fantastic clasp. I mean, everything is to the industry standard. It's got a nice clasp, good labor, good quality, slides in, you know, it has that click. It really is good. Wow. The people that manufacture this have taste. There's too many dirty, grimy Cubans out there, and you think you're getting a deal and someone's getting a Cuban that looks like 35 for 20, but when they trade it in, it's worth 5, and it's this and it's that. Just stop with that shit already. Stop, guys, for real.
That's the real deal, nice and tight, put together right.
My industry standard is for you not to have to trust what I say. I'm just going to explain what's going on, and if you have the mental capacity to understand it, you won't have to rely on someone's bullshit. I'm building a staff to make it as easy as possible for you to shop 64 West 47th Street or TraxNYC.com. You can live chat, and they'll get you any product that's over here, and I'm going to get only the best people to service your transaction, to source your materials, source your diamonds, whether we manufacture it, it's still got to be done with the best setters. It's a people game. It's a people game.